大家好 Hello everyone. Let's continue our Chinese lesson today for the beginner level. And today we learn to speak and ask and answer the question, is your mom a teacher? And how to reply the question that you say that my mom isn't a teacher, she is a doctor, like that. So let's start learning with me together. And one more thing that I want to ask you, have you learned the formal video with me? Because if you have learned already, you will know these two words, the word 老师 and 医生. Yes, I believe you know it because it's a simple and easy word, and you will see it again and again, and it's not very difficult to remember when we see it many times. So if we want to ask, is your mom a teacher? In Chinese, we say, 你妈妈是老师吗? 你妈妈是老师吗? In this question, you have to know that in Chinese, it's not very difficult to change the positive sentence to question. Because in positive sentence, if we want to say, your mom is a teacher, we say, 你妈妈是老师. It means that your mom is a teacher. But if we want to change it to question, we just add only one word, the word ma. So this sentence will become the question. 你妈妈是老师吗? It means, is your mom a teacher? So we add the word ma to make it question. Okay? And when we want to say, my mom isn't a teacher, isn't, is not. So we use 不是, 不是. Because 是, it means is, am, or are. Because it represents the verb to be in English. But if it is in the negative, in Chinese, we put 不是, it means isn't. 我妈妈不是老师. My mom isn't a teacher. 老师 it means teacher. Mama, mom or mother. 我妈妈 it means my mom or my mother. Okay. 我妈妈不是老师. My mom isn't a teacher. 她是医生. 她是医生. 医生 it means doctor. 她 she. So the word 她 that represents the word she, we write like this. It's different from 她 that means he, although it pronounced the same, but it's different in writing. So you have to remember about this, okay? Yes. 她是医生. She is a doctor. 她是医生. She is a doctor. Number 2, question 2. If we want to say, is your dad a doctor? So we change only dad from mom to dad because this sentence we use 你妈妈. So this sentence we use 你爸爸是医生吗? 你爸爸是医生吗? 你爸爸 your father, your dad 是 is 医生 doctor. We put the word 吗 to make it question. 你爸爸是医生吗? Is your dad a doctor? My dad isn't a doctor. 我爸爸不是医生. 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 医生 doctor. 不是 isn't. Yes, we use the same in the first answer here. 我爸爸不是医生. My dad isn't a doctor. 他是老师. 他是老师. 他 he 老师 teacher. 他是老师. He is a teacher. Okay? So before we finish our lesson, I want you to repeat and read again together to make sure that you can read it and pronounce it well. And don't forget to copy the lesson on your notebook, because I believe that learners, if you only listen, you only watching, is not very efficient for you to learn, to know the new language quickly. You have to read it, see it, write it again and again, so you will remember it. It's not very difficult when you do something again and again. So you watch this lesson, you watch this video, and then you write it down. It means that you see it twice, and then you read again, you review it, so you see it many times. I believe that you will remember after you learn like this. So yes, read along with me. 你妈妈是老师吗？ Is your mom a teacher? 我妈妈不是老师，她是医生。My mom isn't a teacher, she is a doctor. 你爸爸是医生吗？ Is your dad a doctor? 我爸爸不是医生，他是老师。My dad isn't a doctor, he is a teacher. So if you like my lesson, don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel to encourage me to make more videos for you. And don't forget to comment your ideas about this lesson, and also tell me what or something that I have to change, I have to correct, I have to update to make it better. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.